hygienic design can impact efficiency. That cleaning process takes time, resources, people, materials. Starting with the proper hygienic design principles from the beginning to ensure cleanability can make them reduce that cleaning time and improve their efficiency and let them focus on what they want to do, which is produce product.
Most clients generally want the improved efficiency that's associated with proper cleaning and sanitization. That improves the worker and resource availability to do other things. That focus will always benefit the client in regards to maximizing the overall shareholder value.
A lot of our clients have facilities that they've been in for 40, 50, 60 years, and they've packed every inch of that with production equipment. So finding space to be able to install new processes, new equipment, especially in an industry where you need to be able to clean and inspect that, can be a challenge. At Salas O'Brien, we have a very wide range of experiences, not just in the food and beverage, but also our process engineers work in a lot of different industries.
Whether pharma or food and beverage or cosmetic, whatever that application is, Salas O'Brien will make the difference in the execution of hygienic design.